Okay, we are back with another video today talking about Slurf. Slurf looks like it had a huge sell up, but it looks like things are turning around here. I want to show you why it might be a good point for continuation on Slurf, how high this can go, and price targets. Also, a quick invalidation thing here because we want to get in when there's high risk, high reward on these trades. We don't want to be stuck holding an alt when other meme coins are absolutely running right now. We want to find the meme coins that are running. Meme coins definitely an art we want to place. We want to find the meme coins that are running, hold the ones that are hot, sell them when they run out of steam, and then get out and then filter into the new coins, because here in the bull run you can turn a small amount of money into a huge amount of money, but you have to play the narratives, you have to play the trend in coins, and then get out when you need to get out. When a momentum turns bearish, you're out. You don't want to be stuck holding these. It's a game of hot potato in meme coins, and you don't want to be the last one holding them hot potato, because we've seen how this goes. It goes absolutely down. And I want to show you, I just got a chat. I'm in one of the DGen chats, and they were looking at playing a launch. I want to show you the strategy that I showed you in the last video that would have kept you out this trade and you would have been safe and not lost your money. So how you can secure extra money in this bull run, because it's so important that you save your money, save your bags for the coins that are moving with momentum, and then you don't get stuck, investing in rug pools. Yeah, you can look at the liquidity and stuff, but also look at the momentum. It's so important. A lot of things in this game, if you just look at momentum, yes, you have to check the liquidity is locked, but you don't want to also waste your time just investing in dead altcoins that are going nowhere. So I want to show you an example of that in this video. But first, let's get into Slurf and why I think this is a good idea and how high this could go. So first, when we look at Google Trends, you'll see here that over the past 5 years, we're nowhere near the bull market top here. So don't get worried about, should I be selling my bag? Should I be getting out here? No, because look how much higher we've got to go in terms of Google Trends, in terms of search results, for retail to start coming in here, for us to start peaking out at the highs like we did in, this was 2021, the high. Look, in terms of interest, we're nowhere near there. We're even coming down now. So even though these altcoins are absolutely mooning, I do think we're still going to see $1 billion altcoin on base. I think that things have got still a long, long way to go. As well, looking at narratives, here we have meme coins. You'll see here that, March 5th, March 6th, the interest in Doge and SHIB were all-time high, but now they're still trending upwards, but they're not quite there yet. So meme coin narrative has still got a long way to go. When Dogecoin, it looks like it's going to rip. When this thing absolutely rips, interest is going to flow to more meme coins, and these things are just going to rip even further. Not financial advice. And also, just to give us more like validation on meme coins as the narrative, when you compare them to the Google search returns for meme coin is blue. Real world assets, RWA, you're hearing a lot about right now. Crypto Banter will not stop shutting up about this. And yes, they're running. However, look at their search results on Google for real world assets versus meme coins. Real world assets in red, you can almost not see it. Crypto gaming, another one that, Alex Becker won't shut up about. But look at it in terms of search results. And plus, who's playing games? Who's playing crypto games? Are you? And none of your friends? Right, we'll play crypto gaming when the narrative turns up. But for now, we're focused on meme coins because that's what's running right now. That's what's making the money right now. So not financial advice, but that's what I'm going to be focused on. I'd urge you as well. Don't be listening to influencers telling you crypto gaming, HBAR, XRP, Link. You're going to make money on Link? Like you might do, but you're not going to change generational amounts of money, generational wealth from small amounts of money into large amounts of money playing these Link, playing XRP. Definitely not done. So first, let's get into Slurf today. Why I think this is a good trade. Well, here we have a volume profile on Slurf. We reclaimed value area low, got up a point of control and ripped. We didn't quite make it to value area high, so that's where price is looking to go. As long as we can stay above here, stay above the 50 on the other side, price is going to look to go towards this value area high because we made its way to the bottom of this range. We've taken liquidity. We're going to look to move to the top of this range. And this is on the Bybit perp chart. So insanely bullish on here. And the next step is basically the technicals I'm going to show you is based on the incentives for leverage traders I got from Sistine Research. So I'd urge you to go and follow Sistine Research to get these indicators I'm going to show you here. If not, you can just do it manually. But as far as Sistine Research is the go. Here you can see Slurf. If we go a bit lower time frame, we had this initial pump where the degens ran this up as high, so high in terms of market cap, and then we've had this huge sell-off here. But now we're picking up a little bit of momentum. You can see what I teach down here. When we break under the 50 RSI, when we maintain under it, so you can see we got above there, we got under it here. And since then, which would be this thick black line, look at the price action. We've fallen down 37%. So you don't want to be stuck holding this. This is on the 1 hour chart. but we had this strong bullish move above point of control. We reclaimed the 50 level. We had our initial bounce on the 50 and a big run up there, 18%. But then we came back down here. We lost the 50 and reclaimed it. But now price has made this huge bullish move, and we want to be holding this level. We want to make sure we hold the 50 level when we get there in the 1 hour. As well, the 4 hour is above the 50 level. So if this can cool off, we've still got a long way for this to run till it gets overextended, gets overheated. So I think this can have a huge move to the upside. When we look at margin pressure levels, so the incentives for leverage traders here. So when we put on our margin pressure levels, this really indicates that we have a huge level here. If we take off the 4x, we do not need. We have some confluence overlap from the 2x short and the 3x long. Basically, this is just where when price is below here, we can actually long Slurf on 3x leverage and hide our liquidation point below here because 33% move on 3x leverage, 33 times 3 would be 99. So here, if it came above here, you would be liquidated. If you were bearish on Slurf though, and you wanted to hide your stop loss above here, you can no longer short Slurf on 2x leverage and hide your liquidation point above here, hide your stop loss above here when we get down below this red line. So the incentive to short Slurf really dries up. So if we can get above this 2x short and the 3x long, this is a really huge level for us to reclaim. And I think we're going to pump up here 30% to this 3x long and also take out these highs over here because there'll be a lot of stop losses hiding above there. Now, if we could take this down onto lower time frame, if I just mark this level out in blue, and I'm going to take these levels off now, you'll see here, this is our arena. This is our trading arena. If price gets below here on, say, the 4 hour, and we close below here on the 4 hour, we want to be out this position. So this candle's closing here in 18 minutes. As long as we can stay above the gray box, I'm going to be in this trade because the risk versus reward is massive here. You're looking at a stop loss if we get a 4 hour close below here of, where are we now? 3%, maybe 5%, depending on how this candle closes, versus taking out the highs here of 30%. So that would be a 10 to 1 risk versus reward on your money. But I think Slurf, we've seen how high the degens could run this before. The other most important thing here is look at the fib levels we cracked. If we spoke about this before, statistically, when the fib breaks above the 236 level, statistically, it likes to make its way back to the 0.5. So 0.5% of this move would be, 33%. So it lines up with those levels we were talking about prior. But look at the confluence we have here. If the RSI can stay above the 50 level, we want to be in this position because we want this momentum to reset on the 50 level for continuation. It can't stay overextended here. We want it to come down, reset near the 50 level, and then continue this bullish momentum to the upside. We want to make our way up to this 382 and the 50% of this fib, and then go higher. Here, for price targets, if we do break above this level, simple invalidation is a higher time frame close below, so a 4 hour close below here, or a 1 hour loss of this level. If this is a full bull market and this thing rips, we're looking to hit all these fibs, but the price targets, price extension with the 1272 coming up here, 134% move, or the 1618, which would be up at $2, 180% move. So do you think Slerf can go this high? Personally, I will keep a moonbag for there, but I'm looking to play up into this 382 level and the 0.5 level, which would be, I think a 30% move on this. But I'm going to look to trade this on leverage. So I'm looking for this trade with a really, really tight invalidation. My invalidation would simply be a higher time frame close below this gray box, about a 3% loss for a 30% gain. So that's what we were looking for. We want to play the odds in our favor. The weighted risk versus reward opportunities in this market, so we can take advantage of the huge upside and limit the downside risk. So let me know in the comments below, what other altcoins are you looking at today? Oh, and I thought I would show you this coin, MKey. I was in a DGM group that was talking about trading this at the open, but if we talk about the RSI trading strategy we gave in the video last time, we talked about this 50 level on the RSI. I'm going to buy when the momentum's bullish and get out when the momentum's bearish. So even if you got in here, I did not, but I was looking to get on this when the momentum turns bearish. You've been out when we held below the 50 level. Here at 400,000 market cap, and since then, we've dropped 95%. However, I was watching this thing all the way down this trend line to see if we could reclaim the 50 level. We never did. So this just protects you. You don't take bad trades here. look, we've just been rejected at the 50 level the whole way down. We never reclaimed it. So you would have not bought into this altcoin. You would have protected your investment. You would have not invested in this. And you would have looked for the next best altcoin. So let me know in the comments below, what altcoins are you looking at? Are you bullish on Slurf? Are you big on other memes? Let me know in the comments below. Cheers, guys. Not financial advice.